We are back with the Diablo. But before we get started with him, I want to get out the way. I see there's been a lot of people watching our channel that hasn't subscribed. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button. You're just supporting. I mean, I didn't know that a lot of you guys wanted, how-tos or, just the simple things. So I'm giving this all to you guys, and plus something for my kids to look back on. So please just support us, and we appreciate it. We sincerely do. So let's get started with El Diablo. See y'all in a minute. So you guys are probably wondering what's going on with him. Right now I'm currently sanding him down, getting him ready for paint. Sorry about the shots. I got Maria sitting here, but got some fiberglass on the dents, the little dings, don't want nothing cracking. So running back with fiberglass, I'm gonna weld repair, patch repair those spots very quick. But my dad is helping me with this truck, so he's gonna be painting it, me and him. So that's the cool part about it. Is El Diablo will be getting painted here very soon. I'm gonna take the bed off. I'm not taking it all the way down to the middle. I'm just, only areas that I am. I gotta do some TLC work too. I'm working on, but other than that, those sections will be primed, and the rest of the truck is just the clear coat coming off. So some people misconcept this with bodywork. They'll take a car all the way down when it really doesn't need to be taken all the way down. So a lot of the times you create more work for the body technician, because now you got to go 9 times out of 10 that work isn't feathered, it isn't gone over. So a lot of the times, a lot of people think that it's, oh, the body work's done. No, it's not. So other than that, see, I got a spot I got to tend to right there. Yeah, I'm just going over him, getting him basically ready. Got Mo sitting over there. Mo, show y'all his tail lights. He finally got me together on my tail lights. I don't know if you guys seen another video. The light bar was out. It was out. I'll add a clip in right here. Yeah, guys, and then so I sent it out, both of them back in the set, and then they sent me back the driver's side only. So I had to wait on this side to come in the mail, but I'm happy now. They're very bright. They're nice. Can't complain. Got my brother's memorial up there on Mo. So this truck is a truck with the memories. So it's sentimental. So he's staying around. I got my son's IROX on here. And I got these headlights. I think they're pretty cool. And that ghetto, ugly ass bumper, he got to go. I got one though. I haven't really touched this truck like that. And then we got Maria over here on all flats. So she's been off the road that long, where those are from 90, them tires. So they're super dry rotted. They hold air just for a short time period, for probably about a week, and then they start to go flat. So I gotta get tires for that. This truck, I've just been, worried about other things, man. And then what I'm gonna do with this truck is I'm gonna keep it. I've been contemplating. I've been playing around with the security. I've had no luck, whatever. I think if I keep playing around with it, I can. And another thing, I'm getting this grill off. I don't like this. I got too many GMCs piling up. I got like maybe 4 GMC clips. The Chevy's still quick, but when I come across the Chevy ones, I kind of keep those now. So, well, another thing, I'm gonna be painting his front clip the same color as that we're gonna paint him. So we already got the paint. Paint is already shit. It's in the house. So basically, my dad is basically just wanting me to get it ready. I gotta take the mirrors off. I'm gonna basically take everything off. I've hit it with the rubber wheel. If you wanna remove the weather stripping and then that adhesive that still be back behind the stripping. Hang on, guys. Bring you into my storage compartment. Treats for the dogs when they're out here. This is what you'll be using. So put this on the drill. You can get these off Amazon. This is extremely cheap, and this one's a lot better, to be honest, guys. It cuts it really fast. I think this was about, I want to say like $3-4 for this. And then if you go to AutoZone or O'Reilly, they want like $50 for it. So yeah, and then you're gonna probably need like 2 of them anyway. So get these to remove that trim off, to have a clean body look, and yeah, you'll be in the game. Got the filler on there. I swapped out the hood because I just want to be all quick with this. I know that hood I will have to require the hood that I made for this truck. I'm gonna have to put some hours in on it, and I ain't got that type of hours right now. I just got this type of hours where I can just quickly be, whack it and be done. So I got to change the core support up, but I'm gonna do that at my dad's house. And I'm debating on headlights, man. I don't want it to be looking all, I don't know. So I'm debating on headlights. I don't know. I've been a lot of everything. And then the seats. Okay, so I'm getting the seats out of here. I'm taking them out of here because I don't want my dad getting no overspray or nothing. I don't want to hear no accident story. So seats are gonna come out of here. Then I'm gonna bolt them down, and then there's 2 ways. So I'm gonna tell you guys the 2 ways of bolting it down, and this truck is making a good example of that because the passenger seat is already loose. So I can show you guys all that. So just hang in there. What else this truck's got going on? Drop shackles. Drop shackles are on the way. Let's see. And I got a flip kit. So this truck will be squatting. I don't know why I sold the 454 wheels I had for it. I don't know. But he didn't talk me down. He bought them. So and I think I sold them for $400. So I should have kept them. So shouldn't have sold them. I should have just kept those wheels because now they're riding on the booty wheels. So maybe I want to paint these for now. Paint them just regular black, whatever, and then still just be trying to hunt and look for some wheels. It's really hard trying to find wheels, man, because like $5, I don't know. They all want a pretty penny, like for what I sold mine for. I tried to hit up the guy that I sold the wheels for, that I'll buy him back, and he was like, I need them. So it kind of, I was like, damn. So it is what it is. You live and you learn. I'm still learning. It seems like with these Chevys on just the whole parts. I seen the bench that I took out of here for this, truck, $400, so, but in my eyes, worth keeping. I don't know, because I feel like I might need things later on down in life. So these are the old tail lights from off of Mo. I don't know. I just put those on there and called it a day. But I'm just giving you guys an update on El Diablo because he's finna be in the booth, and you guys will get a full video of that in the booth action. You guys will see it getting sprayed. You guys will see any of the little things that needs to be touched up, done to it. But like as far as nicks or whatever, like the little spots you do see, like I'm telling you, those are like not a lot. You know, I just had a OBS in here, and that truck was beat up. So it's pretty much almost ready. All this, you know, you can pull on it. Now what I do have to do is I'm gonna have to beat in here. I'm gonna have to start beating in here and tub it and get it ready for when I lower the rear. So I'm gonna do all that too as well, and you guys will see the drop. I'm gonna be very detailed with that with you guys. So the shackles come tomorrow. The flip kit comes next week. So we're waiting on that, and then I'm gonna drop it before it gets in the paint booth. So drop it, so we'll have that video, and then we'll have the process of it in the paint booth. But yeah, guys, thanks for you guys' support though. I want to catch this before it goes somewhere. But thanks for you guys' support. I extremely appreciate it. We do, you know, sorry. And just stay tuned. I think I got the key in here. He'll crank up. I don't know, he's pretty loud, man. I haven't even, let's see, because it's the battery. I was out here listening to music, so let's see if he starts. I think it's tune-up time for sure. And I need a fucking radiator. I need a radiator. Sounds good, man. So, yeah, this freaking truck is loud, bro. It's loud as heck. It wakes up things. So, I don't know. I'm gonna keep this truck up for a minute, because it was the same year me and my brother was born. And, you know, I at least want to keep it for at least about 10, 20 years. So, I don't know. But thanks for watching, you guys, on the update. Stay tuned. You guys will see more of this build. And if you got any more questions, you guys, on anything, just let me know. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Another thing, I don't know if I said in the video, but Maria is gonna get an LS swap. I'm gonna go ahead and LS swap her. I've had a couple engines. I should have just kept one. I don't know. I've come have one and then sell one. So next one I get along, I will be swapping this truck, and it will be going before paint too. And we're gonna go with some gray paint for her. But other than that, guys, stay tuned. Oh, and the new body style, you see the bed on there already, but it's still got to do some pull work on the other side. So just stay tuned with that. We're gonna be sorry guys, putting a new side quarter pillar over there, me and my dad. So just stay tuned with that, and you guys will see a little bit of that. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.